As the sun rises over Tokyo's skyline, a new chapter in Japan's economic story unfolds. Today, we're taking you on a comprehensive journey through the intricate landscape of Japan's economy in 2024, exploring 10 key themes that are shaping this global economic powerhouse. Economic recovery and growth trajectory. Let's begin with the numbers that tell a compelling story. In 2024, Japan's economy is projected to grow by 0.9%, a figure that might seem modest at first glance, but holds deeper significance when we look closer. The year began with unexpected challenges, a first-quarter contraction linked to supply chain disruptions that particularly affected the automotive sector. But what happened next? The economy demonstrated remarkable resilience, rebounding with a 0.7% growth in the second quarter. Consider this. While Japan's historical growth was export-driven, 2024 marks a pivotal shift. Consumer spending has increased by 0.9% from the previous quarter, signaling a transformation in Japan's economic engine. What's driving this change? Let's explore further. The inflation story, breaking the deflationary cycle. For nearly 3 decades, Japan grappled with a persistent deflationary spiral. Now, in 2024, we're witnessing a historic shift. Inflation rates are hovering around 2%, a figure that might seem unremarkable to many economies but represents a seismic change for Japan. Think about this. After years of falling prices, Japanese consumers and businesses are adapting to a new reality. The Bank of Japan, after maintaining negative interest rates since 2016, is now carefully monitoring these inflationary pressures. How are these changes affecting daily life in Japan? The answer lies in our next theme: consumer behavior and spending patterns. The Japanese consumer of 2024 is markedly different from their counterpart a decade ago. With real wages struggling to keep pace with inflation, households are making strategic decisions about their spending. Essential expenditures are taking priority, while discretionary purchases are being carefully evaluated. But here's what's fascinating. Despite these challenges, consumer spending grew by 0.9% in the latest quarter. Services, particularly in hospitality and travel, are experiencing a robust rebound. What's driving this seemingly contradictory behavior? The answer lies in pent-up demand and changing social patterns post-pandemic. The wage revolution. 2024 marked a historic moment in Japan's labor market. During the spring wage negotiations known as shunto, companies agreed to an average wage increase of 3.6%, the highest in 3 decades. This wasn't just a number, it represented a fundamental shift in Japan's corporate culture. However, the story doesn't end there. While nominal wages are rising, real wages face the challenge of keeping pace with inflation. This delicate balance between wage growth and price increases has become a crucial factor in Japan's economic equation: technological innovation and productivity. In response to demographic challenges, Japan is embracing technological innovation at an unprecedented pace. In 2024, investments in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation have reached record levels. Companies are not just adopting technology, they're reimagining entire business models. From manufacturing floors to service industries, digital transformation is revolutionizing how Japan works. But what makes this technological revolution unique? It's not just about efficiency, it's about survival in a shrinking labor market. The demographic challenge. Japan's demographic situation presents both challenges and opportunities. With the world's highest proportion of elderly citizens, over 28% of the population is aged 65 or above in 2024. This demographic shift is reshaping everything from labor markets to consumer products. Yet within this challenge lies opportunity. Japan has become a global leader in developing solutions for an aging society, from healthcare innovations to automated services. How is this affecting economic planning and social policy? The answer reveals itself in our next theme: government policy and economic strategy. The Japanese government's approach to economic management in 2024 represents a careful balancing act. Tax cuts aimed at boosting personal consumption are being implemented alongside investments in infrastructure and technology, Public investment initiatives are targeting key growth sectors while addressing structural challenges. But perhaps most intriguing is the government's long-term vision, transforming demographic challenges into opportunities for innovation and growth. How sustainable is this approach? The answer lies in understanding the global context, international trade and global relations. In 2024, Japan's position in the global economy is evolving. While traditional trading partners like China and the United States remain crucial, Japan is actively diversifying its international relationships. Trade agreements with emerging markets are being strengthened, creating new opportunities for growth. The impact of global supply chain disruptions has led to strategic shifts in how Japanese companies approach international trade. What lessons can other economies learn from Japan's experience? Investment landscape and market trends. Foreign investment in Japan is showing interesting patterns in 2024. The country is experiencing what analysts call a nominal renaissance, where shifting expectations around wages and prices are attracting renewed international interest. Sectors leading this investment surge include green technology, healthcare innovation, and digital services. But what makes Japan an attractive investment destination despite its challenges? The answer lies in its unique combination of technological prowess and stable business environment, future outlook, and strategic considerations. As we look toward the future, Japan's economic trajectory offers valuable lessons for developed economies worldwide. The country's approach to managing an aging population while maintaining economic growth could serve as a blueprint for nations facing similar demographic challenges. Will Japan's shift toward domestic demand-driven growth prove successful? Can technological innovation effectively counter demographic headwinds? These questions will shape not just Japan's future, but provide insights for global economic development. As we conclude our analysis of Japan's economy in 2024, one thing becomes clear. We're witnessing not just an economic transformation, but a reimagining of how a mature economy can adapt and thrive in the face of unprecedented challenges. What aspects of Japan's economic transformation resonate most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth economic analysis. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Remember to join our community discussions and check out our detailed analysis of other major economies in our playlist. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of global economics.